Baumit has been involved in the facade and construction business for 35 years. We work with professionals and launch innovative products in the market that will make your housing more comfortable, your life easier, and help you save your money. Dust and other mechanical impurities, as well as algae, moss and different microorganisms, settle on the facade every day. The facade thus loses its shining cleanliness and becomes visibly dirty. To help solve these problems, we have developed the unique Nanopor PhotoCat plaster with an even more improved self-cleaning effect. The special Nanopor surface makes use of nanotechnology. Nanoparticles in the plaster form such a tight connection that part of the dirt does not stick on the surface of the facade at all, and part of it is removed by wind and rain. The rest of the dirt is removed by the PhotoCat effect, which enhances the self-cleaning effect. Photocatalytic active substances are activated and disrupt part of the dirt with the help of daylight. These particles fall away from the facade, and the cycle is once again completed by wind and rain. The self-cleaning effect is already visible after a couple of years. A regular facade gradually becomes dirty, while a Baumit Nanopor PhotoCat facade remains shining clean for years. Baumit Nanopor PhotoCat. Self-cleaning. Natural. Sustainable. Baumit Nanopor PhotoCat. Available as plaster and color. Baumit Nanopor PhotoCat for long-lasting clean and beautiful facades. Baumit. Ideas with a future.